Classic car trucks has long been a symbol of American and nostalgia, with many dedicated enthusiasts flocking to them through the years. Whether you are a collector and are looking to add one to your collection, or if you are looking for an iconic and timeless vehicle to call your own, these powerful trucks can take you back to the time when life was simpler and the roads were unpaved. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We will share with you the news and views about all kind of vehicles and their fancy decorations. Years 1960 to 1966 marked the start of a transition in the world of full-size American pickup trucks designs. It was also the era marked by a wide range of models to choose from. The mid-sized Chevy C10 pickup was very popular, as well as the Chevy El Camino, a car pickup hybrid. Ford's F100 and F250 had implemented the optional V8 engine for the first time. Dodge Ram was known for its modern design for the age, but it remained the smallest of the big three. International Harvester also had a good model in the form of Scout 800, which was rival to the all-time favorite Jeep CJ5. When it comes to purchasing a classic car truck, the most important thing to consider is the condition of the vehicle. A classic car truck should be rust-free and in running order, as it is necessary to have a reliable and efficient engine in order to maintain a safe and reliable ride. Additionally, it is important to be aware of the certain kind of upgrades or repairs that may be necessary when purchasing a classic car truck, as many owners make modification to their trucks in order to keep them running in peak conditions. US automakers have mastered the art of customization, and specialized pickup for specific needs had become available for buyers. A good example of this is the Chevy Apache, set apart by the stylish design. Then there was Stepside, offering 4-barrel carburetor, dual exhaust, and V8 engine. For example, the 1965 Impala sports van, a customized panel van, was also available during that era. Futuristic design language is an example of the design ingenuity. Behive tail lights, dual exhaust, and off-road technologies like four-wheel drive, heavy-duty frames, etc. were observed during 60s. Designer also came up with dune mobiles dedicated to racing in desert environments. All these advancements were reflected in the pickup trucks designs of the era. Trucks like F100 had stepped up grills for a sleeker appearance. Also, the dash layout had become driver friendly and the cab layout was more private and comfortable. Also, different types of interior options became available. The classic car trucks has been a timeless vehicle for generations, and with its iconic aesthetic and reliable components, it is sure to continue that trend. Those who are looking to invest in it can expect to receive a powerful and reliable vehicle that is sure to turn heads on the road. Check out the Chevrolet El Camino SS 1966, which was one of the most sought after pickups from the era, still turning heads and attracting admiration. Ford F100 1966 and F250 1970 had also become highly popular, as well as the iconic Dodge Ram 1966. Overall, 60s and become the golden era of classic car trucks, and most of them had survived over the years. Thanks for watching our channel. Hope you enjoyed your time. Please don't forget to like, comments and subscribe our channel for more information about vehicles.